Yep, got him.
Looking good.
First cast.
What is up, everybody? Fishhawk here. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Before we get into this video, I want to give you a little background information so you know what is going on. Basically, Hardman's Fishing Adventures and myself was doing some trout fishing. We were driving down the road and we decided to pull over and try this little stream. He had fished this stream about a year prior and caught some fish, so we decided to give it a try. We only fished for about 10 minutes and we did pretty well for only fishing 10 minutes. I grabbed my pole, he grabbed my net, and we jumped down in the stream and gave it a shot. Big shout out to Hardman's Fishing Adventures for showing me the spot, guiding me, and being my net man. Make sure you guys check out his channel. I'll leave all that information down below. This style of video is different from most of my videos. We only fished for about 10 minutes, so I really didn't have much to edit. I just sped up a couple parts and fast forwarded through a couple parts that were kind of boring, so this is pretty much raw footage, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Come on, I'll be surprised.
Yeah, it does. Yep, got him.
Looking good.
First cast.
Told you.
You called it.
Called it. Is it brookie?
Yeah.
Called it again.
No, is it? Yeah, it is.
It's just a stalker. It's a brookie.
You know what I didn't bring? Pliers.
Alright, I'll get it out. There you go.
Nice little stocky brook.
There you go.
Oh, nice.
What's up, buddy? You want to release something?
Go for it.
Let's do it this way so you can see it. Whoa, chill out, buddy. What you got?
It's funny how the there he goes.
There you go.
It's funny how those stalkers
You
do.
probably catch another one in there.
Sometimes they'll just hang out right where you put them back in.
Yep. This water's pretty cold, actually.
They swiped at it once and missed
I
it.
saw that. I was like, here it comes.
Oh yeah. Oh, what the heck?
What's that? Is it a trout?
Gotta be a chub. Isn't it? No, it's a native. What?
No way.
Isn't it? Yeah, it is.
No,
it's a native.
brookie.
It's a native brook. Is it a rainbow?
It's a rainbow.
Oh my
A
god.
wild rainbow, dude.
Holy crap.
Caught a wild rainbow.
Dude, that's freaking awesome.
That's sick. That was a chub.
Dude, look how tiny that thing is.
No, he's not very big. He's not very colorful either.
No, he's not.
I thought he was.
He's like all chromed out.
I thought it was.
How did he get that hook?
Barely got it in the bottom of it.
That is awesome.
That is sick. That was a surprise. Didn't know that was coming. There you go. Wild rainbow trout. There we go.
Dude, that is
Sick.
freaking.
I did not see that coming. Definitely did not see that coming. Two species.
All right, let's go for the. Let's go for the 3. Ah. Joe's fly was fouled up.
Gotta love it.
Make a good cast and then that happens.
Not pretty good trout.
Oh.
Hey, you get good at that.
Yeah. Huh.
And there's more fish in there.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Not more last one, I think. What do you did catch a wild rainbow though. Did not catch that last time.
That was insane. I thought it was a creek chub, honestly. Might be all there is, or all that's willing to hit. What's that? I thought for sure it was a chub. I've never seen one that small.
I've caught him that small one fly fishing.
Oh!
It's still falling,
Where'd he go?
Just swam back through the hole.
He swam back up?
No, yeah, he swam over there on the right side.
Dang it. That was a brook, I think.
Yeah, I think it was too. I'm just about to take through. I saw there was one.
Chased it again?
Yep. He came running out at 100 miles an hour and then he went straight back. I think he's actually underneath those lanes. There it is, man. Keep going. Alright, he's coming back. I keep thinking he's eating it when he doesn't. There it is.
Got him.
Yep. That's the same one.
Oh! Nice net job. Oh.
What brookie. Look, this one's got, chill out, buddy.
Oh yeah.
That's a pretty
He's got
one.
some blue ones.
This one's been in here for a minute.
Yeah.
If I can hold him up without him being ridiculous.
Heck yeah.
It's nice.
It's awesome. He's like, y'all wore me out.
He did, because he tried to run when he's in the net.
Yeah.
He just chilled out. He could have been fine.
Well, and also he chased it about how many times before he actually hit it?
4 times he followed it in before he got it. There's one more pocket up here we can try. I didn't catch anything out of it last time, but... There we go.
Haha. Get over there.
Go over there underneath the tree you came from.
You want to try it?
Yeah, just keep walking. Might as well. Told you, I knew it was going to be worth the stop.
Yeah, I did too. Isn't it crazy how big they look?
Yeah.
I want to try this little run right here real quick. Ah! I was like, where's my flash?
There's nothing more annoying than that.
I don't think he's in there.
I don't think so either. When you're fishing a spot like this, if it doesn't hit it pretty quickly, you're probably not going to hit.
Yeah.
Probably not going to hit.
This might be tough.
Yeah. I ain't catching anything here last time either. Right up at that root ball. I don't even know how easy it is to get there.
Sorry.
Pretty good.
I'm going to try right here real quick.
Go ahead. Great shot here. Oh! Yep.
Oh!
Oh, that's so cool. I saw him come out, and I was like, oh, there he is. What's that? Is that number 4? 3?
3.
3 brook.
Oh, wait, 4.
That's a big one, dude.
That is a nice one.
That's a really nice trout.
I think that's number 4.
That's number 4. If you count that wild rainbow you caught.
Yeah. I'm just trying to keep tension on.
I'm just trying to... He's not gonna be nice. Oh, you're not bad hooked, actually. You let go of it. Open your mouth.
Nice.
Perfect. That's a big rookie. Come on, dude. I just want to hold you up for 1 second. 1 second.
One good picture.
You're just getting my shoes wet. Oh, gosh. There we go.
That has, dude, that's a nice one.
Yeah, that's a, look at his tail right there.
Oh yeah. There he goes. Dude.
I was literally watching and all of a sudden I saw the thing move. I was like, oh.
I was like, this spot looks good. I don't know if there's any point to go up any farther, is it? Where'd you go?